55. Oh, for God's sake.
Got it?
Yeah.
The guy's looking at me.
Yeah, I got a camera on us.
Go ahead.
Just cross that.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. Go ahead.
Gas in the backpack, yo, try Daddy Styles with a free one. Instead of writing a rhyme around. You watch what you do, live in the lab, that's really there's only.
It's gonna be loud.
Not just black like my mama.
Okay.
What happened? What the hell?
I want that damn 8-pillar to get away.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Wait, hold up, electric, what the fuck?
Alright.
You got it.
Got it. God damn. Yeah, they're like, go ahead. You always slow down too much.
That was really fun. Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
So why you wearing around videotaping that shit, Todd?
That motherfucking windshield, that shit won't do it again.
That's a horn.